Hey folks, Joe here. So another short video in the paddle shop. We got a really busy day going on. It seems like every day right now is very busy as we wind things down out here in this shop and get ready to shut her down and start the relocation process. Got a few late orders for canoe paddles. This is one of them, and I thought I'd just do a quick video today. What we're going to do is, here's my pattern. We're going to mark out the shape of the grip on this canoe paddle and trace that out and take it over behind you there on the bandsaw and cut out the rough shape. So just give me a second to get this into position. Okay, let me grab a pencil here. I'm going to kind of stand back out of the way so hopefully you don't just see me and you see instead what I'm doing. So we've got the canoe paddle laid down flat and we got our template. We're going to center that over the top strip, top end, you know what I mean, and get her all centered up here. Hopefully you can see this, I'm not blocking it all out. Pencil slipped just at the last second there, a little bit down here, but I'll ignore that. And hopefully that shows up there, that pencil mark. We're going to take that over to the bandsaw and cut that out. Okay, so we got our shop back behind the planer here. That's hooked up to the bandsaw. We're going to run that for dust collection. Going to lower the blade guard down here a little bit. And stay. Two-piece Greenland paddle here in the works, all glued up. We're going to move that out of the way so we don't bump it. And we're going to fire things up here and get that done. Edit. Okay, folks. Time to make a little noise. Okay, so she's roughed out. Give you a little look at her there. That's the rough shape. And we'll cut out the side profiles here, get her closed, and then we'll do some sanding and final shaping and get that all done up. Okay, so we got the paddle set up here on the side. Got our jig for the side profile. We're just going to center that in place up here. And we'll get that drawn out. Now in a moment I'll flip this over and do the other side, but you don't need to see both of those. Take it off the clamp. Take off the clamps, I should say. And now we got some side marks over here. We're going to cut that out on the bandsaw after I get the other side marked. Okay folks, so we got the bandsaw set up to make these cuts. Going to fire up the vacuum and get her going. There she is, kind of roughed out. So that's the rough paddle grip. I used to do a lot of the shaping after that with some spoke shave and some files, but I got another way of doing it that I like even better. After I get some of the work done with the spoke shave, then I'll show you what I do next. So for the next phase of the shaping the paddle grip, I'm going to do that in a separate video. I want to keep them a little bit shorter, not have the videos go on for too long. So that's it for this one, and I'll be back with another one very shortly.